see major progress as there's a lot of glass going up along these exteriors. It looks like, yeah, the majority of it is finished. There's just a little small strip left to go that I think will go here. I think that'll do it as far as glass. I mean, there may be another section below here. I don't know for sure, but I almost call this exterior finished glass-wise. This is the ITF East station, or if you want to just call it the F station, in regards to Skylink, formerly known as People Mover. You can see the F circled here. So this is the F station. And then this leads down to the next station for the consolidated rental car facility. Which I can't imagine it won't be closed for much longer. You know, all they need to do is load in a bunch of cars. I'm sure it's ready to go. And this is the tail end of the structure, next to it Wally Park. And they have some sheathing or something on here. And then we should be seeing some finished exteriors on this probably in about a month or so, I would guess. But this should be ready to go later in 2024, I believe. You know, we have delays with the Skylink LAX's end, but this is Metro running for the K line. And this glass exterior is up, which is encasing the elevator, which has a couple of levels, or you can alternatively you can take stairs. Just a small little piece here in the ITF East missing, and then this roof area. You can see a arrow there. This is for the ITF East on LAX's end, but you can see the Metro symbol with the downward arrow that you'll need to come down off of, and then you want to continue your travels onto Metro. That's where you go. This entrance here, there's an overhead signage that'll probably direct you to pickups, drop-offs, and then there's also these roofed areas where I believe the buses will be stationed. And there's still quite a bit of development to go beyond this glass area here into the kind of bus station area. I guess we could call it that. See this area towards the end of the project still needs some work. So eventually you'll see some signage directing you around this area, and you can see they have a sign up so far, but it's covered up. And some other little small signs covered up as well.